partnership with PD PAL Jaya from Jakarta. They're a wastewater operator in Jakarta. So the benefits experienced within our organisation was building a working relationship with PD PAL, which has been great from the early onset of the program. Building a relationship is very key to get things done in the program or achieve outcomes in the program. So the knowledge sharing between both companies has been great. They've visited us, we've visited them several times. The knowledge sharing from asset management to how we run our sewer systems, camera work and inspecting our sewer systems, getting into insight into their systems on how they work it's almost like going back a step, because some of their sewer systems are non-existent. 11% of Jakarta is actually sewered, so there's a lot that's just goes out into the street or into the waterways. So with improving business systems is high for them. Trying to lessen the environment impact, like automation of their sewer pump stations, so that it's now running 24 hours a day and no longer running into the river when no one's on site, or they haven't turned the pumps on for a while, or because beforehand it was manual. Gaining insight into another culture and the community has been great for our organisation, seeing how they run and how the different community works. It's been great to see how they've improved their business over time, or over the short time that we've had with them, by the implementation of the knowledge that we've given them. Benefits and experience for the partner PD PAL. So the improvement to their sanitation infrastructure has been great. They've been able to see the benefits of having a 24-hour operating sewer pump station. So from running maybe 6 hours a day to now running 24 hours a day, less has been less going into the environment and more going into the treatment plant. We've had a great working relationship with them. Asset management plan, which they are now implementing so that they can have a full asset register and get their assets costed out so that they can replace assets instead of the replacing assets when they break down. They can maintain them better and have a better understanding of how much it's costing to run the assets. Also, the GIS mapping has been a very big one for them, not knowing where their infrastructure is or how it runs or the size of the pipe. So they've been running through getting all the mapping system up and running, which is now benefiting them when they go and do a sewer blockage or all sorts of maintenance on the sewer system. So they've been able to find the things on the sewer system a lot easier, and we've given them a lot of resources to share within the program, so that they've been able to look through those and implement them within their workforce and work area. So the Australian water sector definitely can contribute to the Asia Pacific. It is great for both businesses. It's a great outcome for us as a business, because we can grow as a business and get to have insight and share our knowledge and relearn the knowledge that we have. And for them, they can gain a lot of knowledge within the program, and the business improvements can be great for the whole business, as in for sewer upgrades or implementation of new assets and all sorts of things. The culture, it's great seeing the culture in another country and also getting an insight in how their culture works, which then you have to work with within the program. So you gain the culture, their culture while you're there, and learn how to implement in your home life. Environment, we all want to help and improve the environment. So by us, we've tried to help improve their environment, which we hope we're achieving. And the health benefits also within the program. If the sewer's not going into the rivers and waterways, then there's definite health benefits for the rivers and for the people who wash and bathe in the water.